Good morning, students. In the last class, we know about living things and non-living things. Let's restart the little remembering. Okay, living things are needed: food, water, air, sunlight, and warmth. Warmth means the place where they stay. Shelter we can call it needed. But non-living things do not need air, water, food, sunlight. Let's go to the first point. We go for a food and water. In that, domestic animals are eat grass. Wild animals need flesh of the other animals. Like the same way in the birds also, some birds can eat grains and some birds eat the flesh of the insects or flesh of the animals. So here we can go for the insects also. Insects also eat in another insect flesh. Okay, here is a plant. Plant also needed the food, water and air, sunlight. It takes the water from soil. See here, you can see the plant with the root. It takes the water from the roots in the soil. So, but non-living things does not want anything. These sunlight, food, water don't want. Okay, we go for next non-living things like a table, TV, doll, wood, anything you can take. Man-made things or non-living things. Living things need air and sunlight. Some animals like goat, dogs, snakes, monkeys and birds and humans also breathe from their lungs. See here, you can see the picture. The horse is there. Horse breathe from their lungs. Okay, but frog in the only animal can live in the water and air, water and soil. Okay, it breathe from the land, from their lungs, and in the water it breathe from their skin. Okay, next we go for the fish. How to breathe the fish? Fish breathe from their gills. You can see here the gills picture I have showed. Insects breathe from their tiny holes. See here, all the insects, they have the tiny holes on their bodies. From their body, through their holes, tiny holes, the insects breathe. And plants also breathe from their stomata. Where it is? Stomata is inside the leaves. In through stomata, the plants breathe. All animals, but not living on non-living things, do not breathe. All the animals, plants, birds needs air, sunlight and their warmth. Living things move. Is it? All the living things move from one place to another place, searching of water, food and to escape from others animals catching. So here animals are moving, birds are moving, animals move from their legs. All the animals have 4 legs. From their 4 legs, they move from one place to another place. And insects, here you can see the bird that is swam in the water. It swam by their web legs. What is that? Yes, web legs. From the web legs, it moves. All the birds have 2 legs and 2 wings. two legs to walk and two wings to fly. Here are some birds, they can't fly. They have two legs, that is strong legs to move from one place to another place, like ostrich, emu and penguins and kiwi birds also. They have the wings but they are not fly. Fish have fins. Fish have fins. What is fins? See here, fins. This is the fins. They live in water and some animals do not have limbs. Limbs means legs. What is the limbs? Limbs means legs. Some animals do not have the limbs, like worms, earthworms, snakes, snail. They don't have the legs. They move from one place to another place with swing. And some animals we call the mammals. Mammals means which can give birth of baby, young ones, and give milk to their baby ones. They breathe through with hair on their bodies. They have 4 legs. Plants also move from one place to another place. How they can move? They move their parts. How? Seeds, leaves and flowers. They move from one place to another place through the animals, through the birds, through the human beings or through the air. They can move from one to another place. And these all living things have the feelings. You know feelings? How the human beings have the feelings, like the same way all the living things, animals, birds, plants, insects, everybody have the feelings. How? See here, this is the picture of the touch me not picture. You can see this. Touch me not is if you touch, it fold their leaves. So it means it has feelings. Okay. In the next class, we will go for the elaboration of these feelings. So in the 4th point, we can see here the animals, living things need a suitable place. Yes, correct. Living things, all the living things have a suitable place. Here is the animals, they are living the polar region, cold region. Is it? That examples, polar bear, Arctic fox, penguin, seal, wolf and walrus. These animals lives in the cold region. And like wild animals also lives in the warm region. See here, you can see the many animals, they are living in the warm region. Like example, lion, tiger, camel, snake and tortoise, cat, desert cat, they all are live in the warm region. Like the same way, the plants also live like a suitable place. You can see here the coconut tree. The coconut tree grow in a warm region and apple tree grow in a cold region. Is it? So children, we know about today recapping of your lesson, and today we elaborated the 2 points, that is living things move and one more is living things need a suitable place. That we already know, and in the next class we will go for the living things grow, produce young ones. Okay, then bye students. The lesson what I taught from up to the 4 point, you please read and write the new words from that and send me the clips of your writings. Okay, then bye. Take care, my dears. Bye bye.